Hello and welcome to this training video on how to upload evidence for quality assurance. My name is Rachel Smith from the OCR Customer Support team. Step-by-step guides and supporting information can be found on our website at www.ocr.org.uk. Following on from this video, I hope that you are confident in using OCR's system to upload evidence for your candidates in order to complete the quality assurance process required this summer. When the deadline of the 18th of June for submitting your teacher assessed grades has passed, we will be asking you to upload samples of candidate evidence in order to complete this quality assurance process. For GCSEs and A-levels, JCQ exam boards will be working together to agree the samples of candidate evidence the centres need to submit. The requests will be sent from the 21st of June, and you will have 48 hours from when you receive the request to upload your sample to the relevant exam board. The sample requests will be sent to the centre administrator, whose details we hold on the NCN register, and will contain the qualification and candidate details for the evidence you need to upload. When you've prepared your samples, you will then need to go to OCR Interchange in order to access OCR's portal for submitting your quality assurance samples. So log into your OCR Interchange with your usual centre administrator username and password. The menu on the left-hand side within OCR Interchange has an extra icon, which is Quality Assurance Samples. So please hover over this and click into Quality Assurance Samples. You'll then need to redirect to the Quality Assurance Sample portal by clicking onto the link. The homepage of the portal will contain a list of qualifications that we have asked for within the sample requests that we sent to you. And to upload evidence for a qualification, you simply need to go to the qualification and at the right-hand side, click the Access Candidates button, which is the green button next to the qualification title. This will take you to another screen which contains a list of candidates that have been requested within your sample. You can check it is the correct qualification before uploading any evidence by checking the qualification title and qualification code, which is located at the top of the page. To upload evidence for each candidate, you'll need to scroll down to the candidate's name, and next to each candidate will be an Access Evidence Folders option. Click onto this button and this will take you into the individual candidate evidence file. To upload a piece of evidence, you simply need to click Upload a File, browse and attach your evidence, and then this will upload into the system. You can upload more than one piece of evidence for each candidate, but the files must be uploaded one by one. The portal accepts most common file types with a maximum size of 15 megabytes for image files or 4.2 gigabytes for any other file types. A full list of file types are available alongside the step-by-step guides. Each file that's uploaded will be checked for viruses, and after uploading, you will see the results of the check after a few seconds. And if the files upload successfully, then the file name will appear on screen as shown. You can delete any evidence if you no longer require this within the portfolio. So to do this, you need to click the grey X icon, click OK to confirm the deletion, and then this will delete the evidence from the candidates folder. So just to summarise, to upload a file within a candidate's portfolio, you need to go to Upload a File, click onto the evidence to upload it, and then after a few seconds this will refresh and the file will be uploaded. If you do try to upload additional evidence with the same file name, unfortunately this will be rejected and you will receive notification to say that this action has not taken place. All files will be checked for viruses as you upload them. For larger files over 2 gigabytes, please allow time for this to be checked, and this can take up to 5 minutes. During this time, please do wait before uploading another file. And the larger files will be dependent on a good internet connection in order for them to upload successfully. It's also worth noting that the system will time out after 1 hour, but any files already uploaded will be automatically saved. If you are uploading a file at the time the portal times out, then you will need to log back in and upload the file again. There is a naming convention for the individual files, so when you are uploading a file for our quality assurance, please do ensure that you follow the format, centre number, candidate number, surname and initial, qualification level, entry code, followed by a description. When all the files for an individual candidate have been uploaded successfully, you can either click Next Candidate to go to the next candidate in your list, or return to the candidate list by clicking the back option, and that will take you back into the qualification. You also have an option to upload supporting information, which could apply to all of the candidates within a sample. To upload additional material, simply click onto the additional material link, and then this will allow you to upload a file, and you complete this task within the same way as when you upload evidence to a candidate portfolio. So you upload a file, attach the evidence, and then this will be added into that folder. You may, for example, have additional material that affects all candidates. So this could be the head of centre declaration, which would apply to all candidates for that particular qualification. So that's just an example of the types of additional material that you might need to have, which applies across a full group of students. Just going back onto the qualification page, when you have uploaded and checked the evidence for all of your sample, then you are now ready to submit to the exam board the evidence from the sample request. On the qualification page, there is a green button called Submit. By clicking this button, a declaration will appear, and you will need to read through the full declaration, and once you're happy that the sample includes evidence for all the requested candidates and that the evidence has been produced according to the centre policy, then you tick the box and then you click the green Submit button. By clicking the button, this now will be sent to us at OCR, and all of your sample requests will have been sent to us that you've submitted. It is important that before you click the submit button that you have done a full check of all of the evidence to make sure that it is all correct. Once you have submitted the declaration, the system will no longer be available for you to upload any additional evidence or make changes. So checking your evidence prior to submission of the declaration is vital. The system will be locked for editing after this point, but you will still be able to see the portal in view-only mode, and you will still be able to submit evidence for other qualifications. We have just looked at uploading quality assurance samples for GCSEs and A-levels. The process for other general qualifications, including Cambridge Nationals and Cambridge Technicals, follows the same process. OCR will email you by the 25th of June or the 24th of June if you are a centre in Northern Ireland to let you know whether you will need to upload a sample or not. You will have until the 30th of June to upload evidence related to those qualifications. I hope you found this training video useful today. Step-by-step guides and supporting information are available on our website at www.ocr.org.uk. Thank you for watching.